Hi everyone, this is Joseph from Forest Tech Reviews, aka your favorite Cajun tech reviewer, back with another video. Today's video, yes, I have a screen protector for your Google Pixel 9 Pro XL. But before I get into that video or review, check this out. Okay everyone, so I'm back with another video today. Today's video, yes, I have a screen protector for your Pixel 9 Pro XL. It also has the lens protection for the back, so I'm gonna install that also. This comes from the company Lightning Night. I decided to go on Amazon and just pick it up. So yeah, if you want to protect your beautiful investment, you don't want this screen to be all scratched up. So the quicker you can get a screen protector, the better you're off to protect your beautiful investment. You can pick this up from Amazon. I will have the links in the description. That way you can support the channel. Nice presentation. If you want to pause that, you can definitely do so. But yeah, nice presentation from them. Let's go ahead and cut this bad boy open. And see what you get in the box. Did I open it? Maybe. Alright, so you have a little trolling sticker, you have some, that's the lens protection back there, installation kit, a little guide for the glass, and then you get 2 screen protectors. And then it also has an instruction book, and if you have problems, we're going to put that on the side. I put a screen protector here, one of these on the side. First thing you want to do is open this up. You got dust removers, alcohol pads, another cloth. So let's turn this bad boy off. How are y'all enjoying y'all Pixels so far? I'm gonna go with the screen protector first. You have the little guide here. Let's see which one says up or top. So you want to put it like this. It says Pixel 9 Pro down here. So, and then what you do is clean off your phone. Again, if you can do this at nighttime, right before you go to bed, that way you don't have to worry about touching your phone. You can let it sit on there, really adhere to your screen. It probably will be a lot better. But get all the oils off of there. Then you can take your little cloth, wipe that bad boy down. Again, another thing I recommend is doing it in a room that you might not have as much dust anywhere. If you have a fan, turn it off. But you just want to make sure you get the dust off too, because nobody wants dust on their phone. Alright, I'm just going to put this bad boy here. You take your screen protector. Another thing, do not just open it like this. You want to kind of turn it upside down and just kind of drop it in there. It has the cutout for the little camera there too. Then what you can do is take your little wipe here. Now some of these bubbles, again, will come out in the next day or so. If you have any little bubbles. Now if you have a dust little bubble, no, it's not going to come out. But the other bubbles will come out. Like this one right here. But that is it, y'all. Bam. We'll check out the fingerprint. Now you just take your wipe down the camera lens again. You want to protect, even though this thing is huge and ugly, protect your investment. Say it with me. Protect your investment. So that's what we're going to do. We're going to protect it. as much as we can. Now trying to line this up is going to be fun. But that wasn't too bad either. Maybe. Actually, it's on there pretty good. It could be down soon. Trying to do this on the camera is a little bit harder. If you mess up a little bit, hopefully you can just take it off. Let's try to do this like this. That is on there pretty good. So, fingerprint, let me unlock it. Now you may have to redo your fingerprint. Face unlock did that one. Yeah, see how it didn't work? Like it's a little bit, my face unlock keeps on. See how it's not working? It says press firmly. There's a couple things we can do. We can go to display, touch sensitivity, increase touch sensitivity to improve touch when using a screen protector. We'll do that. If that doesn't work, then you may have to redo your fingerprint. So it's still telling me so it works, but not as good. Let's try something else. Let's see, biometrics. All right, so you have to reload it, and it works. Maybe. Once you redo it, like you normally do, when you try to redo it, you do have to press a little bit harder. All right, so it said it's done. Is the screen protector not good? Let's see. I mean, it works now. So once you re-register your fingerprint, you're good to go. I want to try to get my face in there. It works good. You just have to go through the extra steps of re-registering your fingerprint, which is not a big deal. Stay tuned. I will have other screen protectors coming in. But for now, yeah, this one works good. Once you re-register it, not a problem. And I'm going to make sure, let's just make sure that display thing is on there too. So two things. Turn your display, the touch sensitivity here, make sure those two things are on, and re-register your fingerprint. If you want to pick up this screen protector, I will have the links in the description. You can get it from Amazon. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. If you haven't subscribed to the channel yet, make sure you do so for more coverage on the Pixel 9 Pro XL. Also, make sure you follow me on Twitter at Forrest Reviews. Become part of the BAM Nation. And until next time, peace. I'm out of here. Y'all have a great day.